A lot of people don't like the idea of having to show their face as affiliate marketers. They want to find ways in which they don't have to show their face and they can still be profitable in their business. Now, I've seen some people do this. I've seen some people do affiliate marketing without showing their face. Like, let's say, for example, you're just doing videos or you're posting content, which you're showing people what to do, but you're not showing your face. Now, that can work, but here's the problem. How are you going to sustain your business long term if there's a disconnect? How are you going to sustain your business over the long term if whoever are your leads, especially whoever's you're personally sponsoring and whatever company offer you're promoting, how are they going to know, like, and trust you if they don't see your face? How can you build that relationship with them and have that conversation? It's almost like meeting somebody for the first time and you don't see their face and you're talking to them, but you're not doing everything that you can in order to build a connection with them. And that's a problem, because while some people may be able to do just that, with being able to market out there without showing their face, it's not a recommended avenue. And what you want to focus on is getting over that fear. Use social media to your advantage, because you're leaving a lot of money on the table by not using social media for your affiliate marketing business. Social media is a great way to start building your personal brand, your you brand, because people are not joining companies, they are joining you. What do you have to offer versus all the other tens of thousands of affiliates out there marketing the same thing? If you don't have that X factor, then people are just going to turn away. They're not going to want to do business with you, because people do business with people that they know, that they like, and they trust. Use social media to your advantage. Start building your you brand. Get over that fear of showing your face, because you want to be the marketer, not just another affiliate. Think about the long term versus the short term.